All right, hey y'all, what's going on? We are here today to talk about SHT Real Food Basics, and this is everything that you need to know to get started with real food. And I'm so excited to bring this to you. I'm so proud of what we have to offer because it makes a lot of sense. And it's very simple. And it may not be easy because we all come to this with our different habituations and emotional triggers and cravings and urges and even addictions. But the way that we do things is very simple. I visit with clients each and every day, and I do corporate talks and group progressions. And the more that we refine and hone our message and stay true to that, the more that we see how awesome this way of doing things is. It's counter-conventional wisdom. It's controversial to some degree, although not in the holistic ancestral health realm, but I mean to most people that we talk to it is, and that's exciting to us. And so what we're going to do in this brief series of videos is just go through the basics and tell you what you need to do to start working this stuff right now. And by the way, this is exactly what I do and what the veterans who have been with me for years do on a daily basis. It doesn't have to be more complicated than this. Although we do recommend going through some of our advanced courses, the Mastering Real Food for Life and the Flexible Animal-Based Omnivore, and experimenting with a lot of different things, this is the foundation that you need for life. And remember what we do with the SHT. There is so much information out there and misinformation and confusion. What we do is we clarify the confusion and bring confidence to the people that we work with. Right? We tell you exactly what you need to know and what works, and we help you understand why. The education component is very, very important. Now think about why we're all here. Most of us are here for one of these three reasons, if not multiple, if not all. Most of us want optimal body composition, which usually means some fat loss. Sometimes we're working with athletes and people that care about performance. And then all of us want optimal health, long-term health, longevity, quality of life. And the magic of what we do is that it addresses all of these. You don't need something special to address any specific one of these. What we're going to tell you to do is going to address all of these. And remember, the big picture reason why we're trying to figure this stuff out is because we want to be happy and we want to live the most amazing life possible. And we understand and know that when you find health, you truly find yourself and everything about your life changes. Everything about your life opens up. You have no idea. When you learn this information in this course, you're definitely going to experience the changes that you're looking for, like the body composition and any improved health markers, but you have no idea how your life is going to open up and change. It's like an awakening. It really is. And most people think to get there that you need to work out and you need to address your nutrition somehow. And because we can't figure out what the heck to do with nutrition, the solution is usually to just work out as much as possible while trying to eat as clean as you can. And we know, after working with people for years and teaching people our foundation, that all of it matters. Every single one of our foundations, food, fitness, sleep, having a social connection, having a daily practice, meditation, mindfulness practice, and disconnecting and getting in nature, all of that stuff matters, but food is definitely a great place to start. And just like everything else, we clarify the confusion. All right, now when it comes to food, there's no wonder there's so much confusion because think about everything that's out there right now. There is the vegan movement. Years ago, we had What the Health that came out, this documentary that caused a big uproar. And then recently we had the Game Changers that came out. And then if you look on kind of the more paleo-ish, low-carbish keto side, we've got documentaries like The Magic Pill. We've got massive amount of supporters on all fronts. We even have the carnivore diet, which has gained a lot of traction. And so there's no wonder that people are confused and don't know what to do because all of them make very convincing arguments. So in this course, we are going to learn what is real food, how to structure your macros or how to structure your daily eating, the things to avoid and look for when you're shopping, and how to make this work in a modern lifestyle and what you can do right now to get started.